Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your iPhone passcode easily in 2025. So make sure you will be just on this website which is called spot.apple.com, and if you forgot your iPhone passcode or your iPhone is disabled, so here is the option to see. So make sure you just see this full tutorial till the end and you will know how it's recovered.
If you forgot the passcode on your iPhone with Face ID, you can reset it with recovery mode and a computer. We'll show you how. Before you start, you'll need a Mac or a PC and a compatible cable. You also might need to allow your Mac to connect to your iPhone. You can use these steps regardless of which version of iOS is on your iPhone. If your iPhone has Find My enabled, you'll need to have your Apple account information ready. To begin resetting your iPhone 10 or later, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Then, drag the slider to turn off your device. Wait a minute to make sure that it turns off completely. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer and press and hold the side button. Make sure to keep holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. This might take a moment. Now, you'll complete the process using your computer. If you're using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or later, open the Finder. If you're using a PC, open the Apple Devices app. If your PC doesn't have the Apple Devices app, or your Mac is using Mac OS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes instead. When the option to restore or update your device appears, click Restore. All content and settings on your iPhone will be erased, including any photos or notes, along with the passcode. If you have a backup saved to your computer or iCloud, you can restore it after this process is done. Click Restore and Update when you're ready. Follow any other prompts, which might include reviewing and accepting the terms and conditions to continue. Your computer will begin to download and install the latest available version of iOS on your iPhone. If the download takes longer than 15 minutes, your device will exit recovery mode. To re-enter recovery mode, you'll need to disconnect your iPhone from your computer and repeat the button presses on your device described in the previous section of this video. Make sure to leave your device connected while it's restoring. When the process is finished, your iPhone will restart and the Hello screen will appear. You can then follow the prompts to restore your iPhone from a backup if you have one. If you still need help, contact Apple support to speak with an advisor or make an appointment at an Apple store or Apple authorized service provider. Some sequences.
I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.